Simple, complex and compound sentences. Okay, what is a simple? A simple has only one finite verb. It is an independent class. Okay, complex. A complex sentence has one main class and one or more subordinate classes or dependent classes with subordinate conjunctions. And a compound sentences. In this type of classes, there are multiple independent classes and no dependent class. In this type of classes are formed by coordinate conjunctions. It has their two main clauses or more with coordinate conjunctions. Example, but, and so, otherwise. Okay, let us see the examples. The first one, being ill, Varun could not come. That is a simple sentence. It divides two parts. The one is praise. The another one is main class. Okay, what is the main class? It conveys the message. It completes the sentence. The main class. It completes the full meaning. It completes the sentence. Praise. What is a praise? A praise is a group of words. It does not carry the subject and the predicate, but it gives some sense. So it is called the praise. So how do you make a simple sentence? So only one main class or praise with the main class. So here the example, being killed, Varun could not come. First you should identify the type. So what is the type? The type is, the name is reason. In a type of reason type. Because the example, being ill means sick, being sick, Varun could not come. The reason. So Varun could not come. So the type is a reason. So reason type. You should know the table form. Simple, being, due to, owing to, on account of, because of, by dint of. Complex, as, since, because. Compound, and so. So the formation. So like being ill. So there is no subject and predicate. That means subject and verb. So praise the there is no subject and verb. But it has a subject and verb and it completes the sentence. The main class. So being ill, Varun could not come is a simple sentence. So transform to the sentences, change into complex or compound. So now has the subordinate conjunction. As Varun was ill, he could not come. It divides the two parts. So it is called the main class. So it is called the subordinate class. As it is saying, the main class, it completes the meaning, it gives the complete meaning. So it is called the main class. The subordinate class, it has a subject and a predicate. It has a subject and a predicate, but it does not give the meaning. It does not complete the meaning, complete the sentence. It depends the main class. So dependent class, it depends the main class. So எதை டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்கு அப்படினு பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா மெயின் கிளாஸ் டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி தான் இந்த சபார்டினேட் கிளாஸ் இருக்கு. So with subordinate conjunction. So as Varun was ill, he could not come. So complex. The next compound sentence. So usually the compound sentence it has a two main class and more. So you divide the two parts. It has a two main class. Varun was ill, he could not come. the conjunction, the coordinate conjunction and so. So it is a compound sentence. Okay, so how do you make the simple means phrase with the main clause and a complex, one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses, and a compound sentence it means that two main clause or more with the conjunction, coordinate conjunctions. The type is the reason because the reason type. Okay, the next one. On seeing the police, the thief ran away. So in this type, referring to the time, referring to the time, on seeing the police place, the thief ran away. Main clause. The complex. So referring to the time means simple, on plus present participle. Complex la when, as soon as, no sooner did than, and the compound and immediately and at once. The table form. So like use பண்ணிருக்காங்க. On seeing. So on seeing the police, the thief ran away. Complex, the subordinate conjunction when. So there is no subject and verb. So in the phrase என்ன கிடையாதுனா subject and verb. So we can consider the main clause. எங்க எழுதணும் அப்படினா pick out பண்ணனும் main clause. The subject is the thief. So the thief. Next verb. So the verb is past tense. So see, saw. When the thief saw the police, so pronoun he ran away. Okay, next compound form. The thief saw the police, the coordinate conjunction and immediately or and at once. So and immediately he ran away. Okay, so on plus present participle and when or as soon as or no sooner did. So next term and immediately or and at once. Okay, the next type, to and to, the replacement of to type. The sum is too difficult for me to understand. The sum is too difficult here and then to, the simple form. So change into complex. The sum is the two type la two அப்படினு சிம்பிள் இருந்தது அப்படினா காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ்ல பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா so and then that. So compound form பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா very and so. So change into complex. The sum is so, the replacement of to with so. The sum is so difficult. So next that. Next me. So high subject. So cannot. The tense is present tense. So cannot. In case was past tense means we can replacement could not. So I cannot understand it. Okay, the next one, compound form. The sum is very difficult and so I cannot understand it. Okay, so two type. So simple like two and two means complex la so that. So next subject and verb. So verb we consider பண்றோம் அப்படினா here the present tense. So present tense na cannot, past tense na couldn't. So as it is said, the sum is very difficult and so I cannot understand it. Okay, let us see for another examples. In the event of your running fast, you can catch the bus. The conditional clauses simple. In the event of, in case of, complex, if, compound and. So conditional clause. Simple. Change into complex and compound. So complex form. So complex na if so next subject if you, so if you run fast, you can catch the bus. Complex form. So we can consider the main class. The main class can catch. So conditional class na first type. So if you first type means the verb is a present tense, subject and verb present tense. If you run fast, you can catch the bus. Okay, compound form. The compound form is you run fast and you can catch the bus. So the subordinate conjunction if, the coordinate conjunction and the conditional class. So conditional class the simple in the event of or in case of. So they same phrase with the main class. So subordinate class plus main class. It has a two main class compound sentence. So we can use the if. So if you run fast, you can catch the bus, and a change into compound form. You run fast, and the conjunction coordinate conjunction and so and you can catch the bus. The next, he finished his work and then he went to bed. So in this type also referring to the time. They are referring to the time having plus past participle or after plus present participle. Complex after plus subject and a past perfect and a compound form. So as it is same and then. So now we can change the complex. So after so next, the fifth one, he finished his work and then he went to bed. So it is a compound form. So we can change the complex after and the past perfect. After subject, so main class. We pick out the subject from main class. He, the finished past perfect form, had finished. So after he had finished his work, he went to bed. So it is a complex sentence. And a simple. So simple, having plus past participle. Having plus past participle or after plus present participle. So having past participle finished. So having finished his work, he went to bed. So referring to the time. So the next type, in case of you are not helping him, he will suffer a lot. So already in the event of your running fast you can catch the bus அப்படின்றது என்ன பார்த்திருக்கோம் conditional clause. As it is same the conditional clause but negative form, not so negative form. So negative form means, so as it is same symbol in the event of not or in case of not, complex unless, common otherwise or else. So so in case of you are not helping him, he will suffer a lot. Simple sentence change into complex and compound form. So complex unless subject, unless next verb you help him. So next, so in case of your and not, the negative form, the conditional clause. So birke apdi paathom appadina complex unless, so unless next subject you, so verb help, unless you help him he will suffer a lot. Change into compound form, you must help him. So in the second one we path appadina must, we can join the must, you must help him, the coordinate conjunction otherwise, so you must help him otherwise he will suffer a lot. The conditional clause negative form. Then the next seventh one, in spite of his being poor he helps others. So in this type is contrasted type. So in this we path appadina poor but he helps others, poor irukanga help பண்றாங்க அப்படின்றாங்க. The contrasted type. So contrasted type means the simple form, in spite of, despite, notwithstanding. Complex though, although, even though. Compound but yet still. So we can change to simple form the same as it is phrase with the main class. So we can change the complex form though. The next subject, the subject he. So next verb, the verb present tense. So that is no subject and a verb. So be form, he is, though he is, why means we help to the present tense, so we can use the be form is. So third person singular, though he is poor, though he is poor he helps others. The complex form. A change into compound form. He is poor but he helps others. The compound form. So the type is contrast type, the opposite type. So opposite type, simple appadina. So in spite of or despite, not despite of. So we don't say despite of, so it is a error. The answer is despite. So in spite of or despite we can use. So in spite of his being poor he helps others, the simple form. So complex na the subordinate conjunction though. So though, so subject எழுதிருக்கும் and the verb consider present tense. So we can use the present be form words is. So though he is poor, he helps others. The next compound form, he is poor. So the coordinate conjunction, he is poor but he helps others. The compound form. So now we have seen the 7 types. So we have 7 types of indratha paathirukom. So first you should identify the type. So enna type அப்படின்றத நீங்க classification பண்ணனும். After you can change it. So you should know the table form. So அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் அப்படி பார்க்கணும் அப்படினா அந்த table form அப்படின்றது தெரிஞ்சிருக்கணும் ஒவ்வொரு டைப்லயும். So simple என்ன complex என்ன compound என்ன அந்த கேட்டகரியை if you know the table form you can change it easily. So the table form தெரிஞ்சது அப்படினா so easy அந்த transformation அப்படின்றத என்ன பண்ணலாம் change பண்ணலாம். So as it is same, so எப்படி இருக்கணும் structure அப்படின்றத தான் பார்க்கணும். So simple அப்படினாலே phrase with main class. So complex அப்படி பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா so one main class and one or more subordinate class. And compound form அப்படி பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா it has a two main class. So இதுதான் பேசிக்கான ரூல். So இந்த ரூல் உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்சது அப்படினாலே you can change it. So they can ask the questions. இது பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா என்ன கேக்குறாங்க அப்படி பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா 2 marks and 1 mark question. So 2 marks க்கு கேக்குறாங்க 1 mark question அவங்க கேக்குறாங்க 2 marksல grammatical partல change into complex or compound form or change into simple அப்படின்ற மாதிரி கேக்குறாங்க 1 marksல பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா link word. So link word, subordinate conjunction, coordinate conjunction இத பேஸ் பண்ணியான link word ஆ இருக்கலாம். And then error spotting la கேக்குறாங்க. So error கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. So rectify the error. So the error rectify பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கலாம். So you can do more practice in your home. Unit 7. So unit 7 ல exercise கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. அந்த exercise you can do practice. So நல்லா அது practices பண்ணோம் அப்படினாலே so ஈஸியா உங்களுக்கு அது you can learn it. So ஈஸியா அத கத்துக்கலாம். Okay, thank you.